Hello, let's learn how to solve for x in 2 to the power of 2x squared divided by 4 to the power of x equal to 16. We're asked to find the value of x. This is an exponential equation, and we are going to see to just that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now let's get started. To find the value, we are going to simplify this such that we'll have the base to become 1 same power of 2, and that will give us 2 to the power of 2x all squared divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by x, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 4. Great. So if we have this to become this expression can now be simplified further. So we can have 2 to the power of 2x squared divided by the powers or exponents will multiply 2 to the power of 2x, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 4. Great. Now recall one law of indices. In that law of indices, if you have a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y, this can be equal to a to the power of x minus y. That's the division law of indices. So this will definitely give us 2x squared minus 2x, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 4. So since we have a common base, it's a good idea that we are going to equate the powers. So we're going to have the powers to now give us 2x squared minus 2x equal to 4. To make this a complete equation, we'll have 2x squared minus 2x, then we'll subtract 4 from both sides, and this will be equal to 0. Now let's reduce this expression. Reduce this expression by dividing through by 2, since we'll have 2 as a common term. If we divide through by 2, this expression will now give us x squared minus x minus 2, and this will be equal to 0. Great. A quadratic equation. So what do we do from here? We're going to simplify using the quadratic formula. Comparing this to ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, you see that our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to negative 1, and then our c is equal to 2. Right? So if we simplify that, c is equal to negative 2. So if we simplify that, we're going to have the quadratic formula to give us the value of our x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So simplifying this, we'll have the value of our x to be equal to b is negative 1. So we'll have negative multiplied by negative 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 1 all squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 2, and all these will be divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So the value of our x can now be equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus times minus will give us 1, 4 times 2 will give us 8, and this will be divided by 2. So that equation is going to give us the value of our x to be equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 9 divided by 2. Unfortunately, square root of 9x will be equal to 1 plus or minus 3 divided by 2. So our value of x will be equal to 1 plus 3 divided by 2, or we'll have 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So x will be equal to 4 divided by 2, or we'll have a negative 2 divided by 2. So what do we have? We have the value of our x to be equal to 2, and the value of our x to be equal to negative 1. So the value of x is 2 and negative 1. That's exactly the values that satisfy that exponential equation given to us above. Now we're going to check to see if our solution is absolutely correct. Now let's check using the two solutions we are given. To check, we are given that 2 to the power of 2x squared divided by 4 to the power of x is equal to 16. Now, if we simplify that, are we going to have that value to be equal to 16? Let's find out. If we are given our x with x equal to 2, let's check out. This will now give us 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 divided by 4 to the power of 2. So what would this give us? Will it give us 16? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So we are going to have this expression to now give us 2 to the power of 2, right? All multiplied by 4, because 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and that will be divided by 4, or 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2, right? Because 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So if we have that expression simply can now give us 2 to the power of 8 divided by 2 to the power of 4. And this expression will now give us 2 to the power of 8 minus 4 according to the law of indices, and that will be equal to 2 to the power of 4, and 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. So that means the value of x equal to 4 truly satisfies, equal to 2 truly satisfies that expression. How about having x equal to negative 1? Is it a solution? Let's check out x equal to negative 1. So that expression will give us 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by negative 1 all squared divided by 4 to the power of negative 1. So what will that expression give us? Negative 1 squared is going to give us 1. So we're going to have 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 to the power of negative 2, right? So if we have 2 to the power of negative 2, simplifying this expression, we'll have 2 to the power of 2 minus negative 2. Comparing the laws of indices. So this will give us 2 to the power of 2 plus 2, which is equal to 2 to the power of 4. And 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. So that shows that x equal to negative 1 is also a perfect solution. So you see, very easy. I know you did enjoy watching this solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.